50 action verbs, each with 2 sentences. Run. She loves to run every morning in the park. He ran a marathon last year and finished in record time. Jump. The children jumped on the trampoline for hours. She jumped over the puddle to avoid getting wet. Swim. He swims at the local pool every weekend. She swam across the lake in just under an hour. Climb. They climbed the mountain together as a team. She climbed the ladder to fix the roof. Dance. They danced all night at the wedding reception. He took dance lessons to improve his skills. Sing. She sings beautifully in the church choir. He sang a solo at the school concert. Read. He reads a book every week. She read the entire series in 1 month. Write. She writes in her journal every night. He wrote a letter to his grandmother. Draw. The artist draws portraits of famous people. She drew a beautiful landscape. Cook. He loves to cook Italian dishes for his family. She cooked a delicious dinner last night. Paint. She painted a mural on the wall of the community center. He paints in his studio every weekend. Drive. He drives a sports car to work every day. She drove across the country last summer. Fly. He flies to New York every month for business. She flew to Europe for vacation. Walk. They walk their dog in the park every evening. He walked to the store to buy groceries. Run. She runs marathons for charity. He ran to catch the bus this morning. Laugh. They laughed at the comedian's jokes. She laughed so hard she cried. Cry. He cried during the emotional movie. She cried when she heard the sad news. Shout. He shouted for help when he saw the fire. She shouted with joy when she won the prize. Whisper. They whispered secrets to each other. He whispered in her ear during the movie. Throw. He throws a baseball with great accuracy. She threw the ball to her dog. Catch. He caught the ball with one hand. She catches the bus to work every morning. Build. They built a tree house in the backyard. He built a model airplane from scratch. Create. She creates beautiful artwork with watercolors. He created a new recipe for dinner. Design. She designs clothes for a living. He designed the layout of their new house. Invent. He invented a new type of solar panel. She invented a board game that became very popular. Explore. They love to explore new hiking trails. She explored the old castle during her vacation. Discover. He discovered a hidden talent for singing. She discovered a new favorite book series. Travel. They travel to a new country every year. She traveled to Japan last summer. Research. He researches historical events for his job. She researched the best colleges for her degree. Study. She studies hard for her exams. He studied biology in college. Teach. She teaches math at the local high school. He taught his dog how to fetch. Learn. They are learning a new language together. She learned to play the piano as a child. Fix. He fixes cars in his spare time. She fixed the broken chair. Repair. He repaired the leaking faucet. She repairs computers for a living. Solve. They solved the mystery together. She solves crossword puzzles every morning. Protect. He protects his family fiercely. She protects her skin from the sun with sunscreen. Defend. He defended his title as champion. She defended her friend in the argument. Attack. The lion attacked its prey. He attacked the problem with determination. Chase. The police chased the suspect through the city. She chased her dreams of becoming a doctor. Escape. The prisoner escaped from the jail. She escaped the room by finding the hidden key. Rescue. The firefighters rescued the cat from the tree. He rescued a stranded hiker on the mountain. Help. She helps her neighbors with their groceries. He helped his friend move to a new apartment. Save. He saves a portion of his paycheck every month. She saved a stray dog from the streets. Support. She supports her family by working 2 jobs. He supported his friend during a tough time. Encourage. She encourages her students to do their best. He encouraged his team to keep going despite the difficulties. Motivate. He motivates his colleagues with his positive attitude. She motivated herself to finish the marathon. Inspire. Her story inspires others to overcome challenges. He was inspired by his mentor to pursue his dreams. Lead. She leads the project team at work. He led the expedition through the jungle. Guide. The tour guide led the group through the museum. She guides her children through their homework. Manage. He manages a team of engineers. She manages her time efficiently to balance work and family.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.